Oh, you see that ear right there?
Yeah.
You all. Yo!
Oh, run away.
Oh my god.
Run away. Hi, guys. Hi, gang.
Go hit that. Oh, spit on that dash.
Alright. I fucking spat on him and yeah, now I'm faster than him.
Alright. You come back around.
Yeah, I'm definitely faster than him. Dude, he's so f***ed up. I just kept barraging him in the face. He's just walking after me now.
Dude, this Titan somewhere in these canyons where I can hear him.
His
Oh, I see him. I see him. Edwin.
Oh, nice.
Guys, Titan coming in hot. Titan coming in hot. Very hot.
Oh, he's shocked. Go, 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 he's shocked. Actually, I probably shouldn't have full shocked him, actually, because now he's got his movement speed back. The fucking turtle's coming. Oh, shit. I'm just trying to keep him occupied over here.
I don't know where y'all went.
This is the canyon. Hard, like, just hug the dark woods. But, like, we're in the white area. Hats. Hats, yeah, with them. I gotta keep going. I just gotta run as far away as I can, because Hats is trying to knock me back into him.
You in the white area? Oh, I see where y'all are.
Dude, Hats is so fucked up.
Pigno's so bad though. That Pigno is the only thing that killed me right now.
Hats is dead! I killed it!
Oh, nice. Fucking garbage hats. I'm
We're the I'm along the river.
Oh,
Not
Pigno.
GT River, but the next... Oh.
Pigno is going to you.
3 minutes. Gavin, just wrap 3 minutes. That's all you gotta do.
I know,
You might want to swim.
Oh, that's gonna be so bad for me, though. I think swimming... Cause Titans...
Okay, I'm gonna leave the group and then I'm gonna just...
Yeah,
that way you
Pigno's
heal.
here, too. I just gotta spit on him. Oh, I'm so dead. He missed a headbutt! I'm about to be out of stam. No, I'm dead, dude.
You know, Gavin, remember the other day how Gage said his spino subital?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can believe that, bro. I've never seen that spino out of home cave in my life. Every time we play, I've never seen that spino leave.
Oh, the Daspis. Hello, Mr. Daspis. Oh,
Found
there's
him?
a Rex. Oh, I'm so dead. There's another
They
Daspis.
attacking
There's
you?
2 Dasp. The Rex is
They
deep
attacking?
rumbling for me, by the way.
Yeah, he's attacking.
Maybe a kilo.
Rex is deep rumbling for I just crossed the water, so I'm so fucked here. I don't know what to do. No, I'm so dead. I don't know what to do.
Why did
Oh,
Bert
way
deep
back.
rumble for you?
It won't stop me from trying to live. No, I'm stuck in the water. Oh, I got out. Rex can't get up there. I actually could possibly live, depending on what happens. If things go just right, I may live.
Edwin, I just
What?
got jump scared.
Hey, what?
There was a Sarko.
Really? Holy
Yes,
shit.
he didn't hit me, but he scared me very badly.
Oh yeah, I see your gamer tag now.
Oh shit, the Rex is coming. Rex is on me, dude. Oh no.
You might die. I don't think you're faster than him because you're like really small.
I know. Rex is rampaging, but the fucking thing is rampaging the Dasp. Can you just get to me and heal me in time? Because I've hit the Dasp a lot. Rex is coming. I'm gonna take a cliff that the Rex has no choice but to take damage off of. Might not save me by much, but I'm out of stam again. You can just heal me. They're getting close, but I think your heal will barely save me. Yeah, you probably hit it now. You'll probably get me. That's for here, but the rampage is out. That's it. They're so low. I know they're fucked up. Dude, I'm healing so much though. I might throw a quick sit to get the most out of this. That is crazy.
Damn, those is the biggest pussy.
Dude, that's crazy. They dipped
Dude,
because
this-
of a Lambio. Oh, there's a Lambio down there too. Hey, something's coming up. Dash coming up.
You want to adventure with me to Wither Speak and
Oh,
all
I
that?
might try to jump the dash. Oh, white dash. There's 3 dash then, I think.
Oh, 2 guys. I want a duck over there.
But that's slow.
Uh,
That's one shot. You can get him, Edwin. Oh my god, he's got lit.
Could be fine. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go for this one then.
So if you get that dash for free, you should bring it up.
Fucking dumbasses, dude. They're both dead. Cats coming in too. How is that not hitting?
Okay.
Nice. He only took 1 hit from that though. Oh, ouch. Ow. He's gotta be getting hurt though. You need to use that heal call. Another hatch too. Aw. Alright, let's see if group heal coming up soon, don't you?
Yeah, I already have it.
Okay, let's just wait a little bit longer. Aw, they fucked that up. He's getting low, I think. Unless I was just... That just hurt.
You guys gonna be getting hurt bad over there too, though.
Oh, nice.
The duck's trying to go to the water right now, though. The duck's next to me.
One dead. Oh no, there's a lamp. There's dash. Use that group heal if you have it. Probably be good anyway. No, that would have been a good combo if it worked. I'm really low on
Damn,
stam.
actually.
Titans are getting
Titans
close. No.
I had no stam.
That's just so low. I'll try spit on him. Got him.
Did you get that heal down?
Yeah, a decent amount of it. Yeah, Titan's fucked up now. Other Titan's getting close, by the way. And there's a new dash, by the way. Yeah, it's the second dash we killed.
Oh, fuck.
I'm just gonna want to stand there. I can definitely fight a dash.
Found in whistling columns.
That's
Brian headed back.
Oh my god, he got stuck. The dash is stuck.
I might die.
That's just fucked up.
I'm fucked up. Bad.
Oh, I didn't mean to hit. I'm sorry, Duck. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hit you. That's what's hurt though.
I don't know that. I'm like 1 shot, dude.
This Titan's still bleeding. I spat on him. Oh, I missed. Dude, they're both
might
death
have to
scars.
swim.
Or one's death scar. No,
I
they're
know,
both death scars. Barely.
I know I'm 1 shot. I can't fight them.
I know. I might just have to fucking take one for the team and deal as much damage as I can. Because they're still bleeding too. They're not even trying to. Oh, he's coming.
Yeah, I might just run into the water. Yeah, I'm gonna run in the water.
Oh, and they got me in the tail.
That attack is fucking ass.